Let's fix a common frustration in Gmail by printing an entire email thread at once, instead of doing it message by message. Open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. From your main inbox, find and click on the specific email conversation you want to print. Once the thread opens, you will see all the related messages stacked together. Instead of looking at the individual reply buttons, look all the way to the top right corner of the entire email window. You will spot a small printer icon sitting right next to an arrow. When you hover your mouse over this icon, text will pop up that says Print All. Click that printer icon. Gmail will instantly open a new browser window or a print preview tab containing every single message from that discussion. If your thread is very long, it might take a few seconds to load all the pages. Now, look at the print settings panel on the right side of your screen. Look down to where it says Destination. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select your specific physical printer. In my case, I'm selecting my home office printer, but you can also choose to save it as a PDF if you prefer a digital copy. The important thing is to check the Pages section right below the destination. By default, it is set to print everything, which means you will get every single reply and disclaimer text. If you only need the first few messages, you can change this setting from All to Custom and type in the specific page numbers you actually need. Now, that goes both ways. If you choose to print the whole thing, you get all the information, but you will also use a lot more paper and ink for long conversations. Once you have toggled on the correct settings, scroll down to the bottom of that menu and click the blue Print button. Your printer will start running, and you can now close that extra browser tab to return to your main inbox. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.